So today we are hiking Battle Creek Falls in Utah with our family. Ethan, how's the hike so far?
Good.
Yeah. Is it hot? Look at this little guy. Come on, bub. Are you saying cheese? Okay, come on. You got rocks? Just made it to the waterfall. Oh, it feels so good by the waterfall. Is it cold? It's gonna be cold, but go for it.
I'm gonna go one step closer. Another step closer. Get closer.
Oh, I can feel it.
Okay, one more step closer. Okay, too much, too much.
You okay?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really want
Short hike to actually get to the falls. If you can go further up, and I think it's about 4 miles is what the app said, but if you just want to hike the falls, it's really short, easy trail, not difficult. You okay? Be able to play like at the base of a waterfall that's not like crazy powerful, although I'm sure it depends on how much water we've gotten, and to play in the rocks for the kids, like absolutely like adding this to one of my favorite hikes just with kids because it's so easy to get to and super fun to play with. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can touch it. Oh, I'm against them. Ah! Oh, I got it! And I'm wet! Yeah! It was fun. You can do it?
We'll never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Okay, so I looked on the app and it's just less than a mile to get up to the base of the waterfall, which is awesome. So we were with our 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 9-year-old, and then also our niece who's in college. And honestly, even the 2-year-old probably could have walked the whole way, but with like holding your hand, but we did pick him up sometimes just because it was a slow moving train with him on the ground. So during some of the steep parts especially, like we just picked him up, but really it wasn't even that steep, so it wasn't bad at all. So it was really good. It was super fun. We would have stayed longer, but we have to go and eat dinner. So anyways, great hike, Battle Creek Falls. I think it's in Pleasant Grove. The All Trails app said Lindon, but I'm pretty sure it's in Pleasant Grove. So it was great.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.